The year is 2025. The world of finance is undergoing a seismic shift, a digital gold rush. Cryptocurrency, once the domain of tech enthusiasts and early adopters, has now gone mainstream. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, these are the new gold, and just like in the gold rushes of old, fortunes are being made every day. But this time, the pickaxes and shovels are replaced with sophisticated computer rigs, and the gold miners are the crypto miners. Imagine a world where you could generate income from your computer, a world where you could be part of a decentralized financial revolution. That's the promise of crypto mining. It's the process by which new cryptocurrency units are created and transactions are validated and added to the blockchain, the immutable digital ledger that underpins the entire system. But the road to crypto riches is not without its challenges. The industry is grappling with its environmental impact, with concerns about the energy consumption of mining operations. Governments around the world are wrestling with how to regulate this new and rapidly evolving industry. Yet despite these hurdles, the future of crypto mining is bright and full of potential. Advancements in technology are making mining more efficient and sustainable. New trends are emerging, promising to democratize access to this lucrative field. So, buckle up and join us as we delve into the exciting world of crypto mining and explore whether miners are poised to dominate the market by 2025. Before you embark on your exciting crypto mining journey, you need the right tools for the job. Think of building a crypto mining rig like constructing a high-performance race car where every detail matters. Every component needs to be carefully selected and meticulously assembled to ensure maximum speed and efficiency. At the heart of your mining rig lies the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, which is essential. These powerful processors, originally designed for gaming, excel at the complex mathematical calculations required for crypto mining. The more powerful the GPU, the faster it can solve these equations, and the more cryptocurrency you can mine efficiently. Next, you'll need a motherboard, the central nervous system of your rig, connecting all the vital components. A robust power supply unit, or PSU, is crucial to provide a steady stream of electricity to your power-hungry components. Don't forget about RAM, or random access memory, which acts as the short-term memory of your rig, storing data that needs to be accessed quickly. And finally, you'll need a hard drive to store your mining software and the valuable cryptocurrency you mine. Now that you have your mining rig assembled and ready to go, it's time to choose which cryptocurrency to mine for the best returns. This is a critical decision that will significantly impact your overall profitability. Think of it like choosing the right crop to plant on your farm for the season. Bitcoin, the original and most well-known cryptocurrency, might seem like the obvious choice for many. However, Bitcoin mining has become increasingly competitive, requiring massive amounts of computing power and resources. Unless you have access to industrial-scale mining farms, the chances of mining a Bitcoin block solo are very slim. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, offers another viable option. While still energy-intensive, Ethereum mining is more accessible to individual miners with smaller setups. However, with the transition to Ethereum 2.0 and its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, mining will become obsolete soon. This brings us to the world of altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, offering new opportunities. Many altcoins offer potentially lucrative mining opportunities, especially for those with less powerful rigs. Litecoin, Dogecoin, Monero. These are just a few examples of altcoins that can be mined profitably with the right approach. Crypto mining is a power-hungry process. Those complex mathematical calculations require a lot of electricity. This has led to concerns about the environmental impact of crypto mining, with some critics arguing that it's contributing to climate change. However, the industry is evolving. Miners are increasingly turning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power to reduce their carbon footprint. Some are even exploring innovative cooling solutions, such as immersion cooling, which involves submerging mining rigs in non-conductive liquids to dissipate heat more efficiently. Another trend is the rise of cloud mining, where individuals can rent computing power from large data centers, eliminating the need for their own energy-intensive rigs. This allows anyone to participate in crypto mining without the upfront costs and environmental concerns. Section 5. The cooling factor. Keeping your rigs running smoothly. Just like a high-performance engine, a crypto mining rig generates a significant amount of heat. If this heat isn't properly managed, it can lead to decreased performance, component damage, and even system failure. That's where cooling solutions come in. The most common cooling method is air cooling, which involves using fans to circulate air through the rig and dissipate heat. While effective for smaller setups, air cooling can become insufficient for larger rigs, especially in warmer climates. For more demanding setups, liquid cooling offers a more efficient solution. This involves circulating a liquid coolant, typically water or a specialized coolant solution, through a closed-loop system to absorb and transfer heat away from critical components. For the ultimate in cooling performance, immersion cooling is gaining traction. This involves submerging the entire mining rig in a non-conductive liquid such as mineral oil or dielectric fluid, which efficiently absorbs heat and reduces noise. Section 6. Joining forces, the power of mining pools. Mining cryptocurrency solo can be like panning for gold in a vast river. The chances of finding a nugget on your own are slim. That's where mining pools come in. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of solving a block and earning a reward. The rewards are then distributed among the pool members based on their contributed hash rate or computing power. Joining a mining pool offers several advantages. First, it provides a more consistent stream of income, as you're more likely to earn rewards regularly. Second, it reduces the volatility of your earnings, as the rewards are shared among the pool members. Hit subscribe and the alert bell to never miss our money-making tips. There are numerous mining pools to choose from, each with its own fee structure, payout system, and pool size. It's essential to research and compare different pools to find one that aligns with your mining goals and preferences.